Hello everyone, Darya here. Welcome back to part 2 of my figure painting tutorial in my own style. Just like I promised in the previous video, today we are by the sea and we are going to move forward with the first layers of painting on the canvas. In part 1 we worked on drawing the figure, and in this part we'll focus on coloring and how to mix skin tones. As you can see, I started painting from the sky, which is the farthest part of the scene, and then I gradually moved toward the closer areas. Now I begin with thin and light layers for the sky, using a mix of blues, white, ochre, and a bit of brown. I apply the paint softly. The ochre and brown help to make the colors feel more natural and mature, and I use them very softly. If you notice that I'm painting fast, it's because I'm using acrylic paints. They're water-based and dry quickly, so I naturally work faster. But if you're using oil paints, you can take your time and work more slowly, even over multiple sessions. From the darker blues, I move toward the lighter clouds, and then gradually start working on the sea. Remember these two important rules. First, always paint from far to near. And second, always go from dark to light. For example, here I start with the darker shadows of the waves, then move on to the midtones of the sea, and finally add the highlights. So now we move to the closer layer, the beach. I start with a light, simple base layer. Keep your brush strokes soft and gentle, and don't worry about making mistakes. You can always fix them easily and repaint. are the deeper shadows of the beach sand, plus the shadow of our figure. Before we move on to the figure and skin tones, don't forget to support me with a like, subscribe, and your comments. It really motivates me to keep creating more tutorials for you and helps you stay connected with my work. Alright, now let's move on to painting the figure step by step. Skin tone is actually a beautiful play between blue, red, yellow, ochre, brown, and white. By adjusting each of these, you can create a wide range of skin tones. Again, we work from dark to light and from general to detailed. At first, I black in the shadows, muscles, highlights, and depth, exactly where we planned them in the drawing stage. Don't worry about details yet. The main form and details will slowly emerge from these larger shapes. And it's like the painting starts talking to you and tells you what to do next. Just stay calm, don't stress, and enjoy the process. Focus on the big shapes and play with the colors. Now let's paint the beautiful swimsuit of our lovely Gamma. Here, I'm also correcting the form a bit. You see, anytime there is a mistake, you can easily fix it with paint. That's the beauty of painting, so don't be afraid of trial and error. And here are the legs. As you can see, I'm still keeping it simple and not going into details yet. In the next part, we'll move on to the next layers and finer details. By the way, would you like me to continue the next part of this sea again? Or back in the studio? Goodbye for now, and see you in the next episode. Don't forget to practice, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Darya is always here with you. Have a great time!